No, bitch. Bitch, I did that.
Hey, Joe.
You are my black queen, no so pure. Whoa, whoa. Your melanin so sweet, it bring me joy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Come join the family. Yeah. Today we're going to attempt to cut some motherfucking creases again. We're going to be using one palette only. Tammi Revolution shadow palette. I think I've used this in a video before, probably with the oranges and that. And we're going to try and do a green eye look. Oh god, ignore that, yeah. We're going to be using this green, that green, that green, and that green. To prep my eyes, I'm just going to be using some Conceal and Define from Revolution in the color C12. I'm going to put that. You can see like a little bit of it being creased. That's from when I did my eyebrows. They've been done it. Oh my god. I did my brows like an hour ago. And then I talked to my brother and my sister. Then I was jamming out to some music, really. I was like, yo, let me start now. This is the third time I've tried to do this video, believe it or not. The other time that I got high and nothing was done. If you've seen my brush video, you see that I'm a brush babe now. Sponges who, sponges where, sponges why. My lids get so oily. Like if I don't set this, like you've seen, it will just crease up. So I'm just gonna get the Mercier translucent powder, my absolute babe. Some people recommend not to set your eyes. Can't remember the reason why. I'm just gonna put some powder here because it's actually just, it's quite offensive to see how shiny it is on camera. Think about fucking powder and black, it just don't go together. Usually before these videos I try and practice. That's a lie, the last video I didn't practice. I'm just chatting shit again. When I do like my TikTok videos or my Instagram reels, I kind of like do a rough practice of my eye look just so I know like on the day I do it, it's just gonna be easy. But today, we're not doing none of that. I'm getting a fluffy brush. Just gonna dive straight in. Right, I'm going in with this green here. You see that green right there? I would zoom you in right in here, but you know, my face, my skin ain't that great, so you can stay where you are. Oh, that is you. I never call these videos tutorials because a tutorial means I'm teaching you guys something. Sometimes it's just kind of like I wing it. I really like this green. I don't know how to do eyeshadow without it like almost touching my eyebrow. Like it has to be high for me. So we're just blending that out everywhere. And then we do the same on this side. Don't even. The screen's really got me gassed. Birthday makeup looks like drag makeup. And like, do you know when drag makeup looks good for drag, not for like just a casual day out? Then again, do what you want. Who am I to tell you what the fuck to do? Anyway, so now we've blended that out to the brows. Because that's literally what we've done. I'm gonna go in with another like fluffy brush. I'm gonna use this one here. I'm gonna go in to this color here. It's like a turquoisey. Is that turquoise? That is turquoise, isn't it? It's like a bluey greeny color. And we're gonna like go into more of the crease part. I hope this works out. I don't actually like this brush. It was a bit prickly. Pack it in, love. Don't know why I did that. Don't ask me questions. But I'm kind of like packing it in. This is because the brush, I feel like the brush is just pulling away too much product. And then we're going to use the brush from before to make sure the edges of all of this are, you know, not looking too edgy. I feel like I'm doing this really quick. I feel like if you have a good, decent brush, you won't need to do what I'm doing right now. But some of us, we didn't wash all of our brushes because we didn't think we'd need all of them. I'm really feeling the greens. This palette's banging, isn't it? When did this palette come out? 'Cause I didn't get it when it actually came out. I think I got it like maybe a year later because I'm always late with shit. I used to be in the game, you know, with all these palettes and that. Then I was like, listen, makeup is not my career, right? I'm just wasting money. No, I'm not wasting because I use a lot of these palettes. The thing. Okay, yeah, I'm not wasting money because I've still got the price till this day. But they love to say, for example, 12 months after opening, you got to bin it. It's not an obvious, like, oh my god, yeah, you've done like 2 colours. It's subtle but nice. Why is my sister ringing me? End it then! Anyway, where were we? Oh, we're about to cut the fucking crease. I'm going back in with that Revolution concealer again. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. I'll probably just do one eye on camera to show you guys. And then I'll do the other one off camera. And the rest of my face. Because we're just here to cut some creases. I'm just gonna use this brush to set the powder. I mean, to set the concealer after. So let's get started. I was getting so nervous. I'm not going to talk in this. I'm not doing it. What I'm jealous of, them girls with such big eyelid space. Like, where did you get it from? So that crease. Went into that green. This one here. You got to keep dabbing. That green here. And we're just kind of blending that out. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm feeling that blendation. That's how we're cutting these creases. Getting that black brush again, I'm going into this and we're just putting that on the edge. I feel like that was pretty quick. Eyeliner, we're doing it. We're doing eyeliner. I'm so used to using this style of eyeliner, but I want to try like actual gel liners. So if you've got any recommendations, please let sis know. This is Wet n Wild. Yeah, mega liner. Just in black. I don't need to put that much on. I just kind of like to straighten them out a little bit because I'm putting lashes on. Right now, I feel like it looks so basic. It looks so basic, but once I've done my face and everything else, it'll be banging. So I'm going to quickly do the rest of my face. Well, finish this eye off because I know it's going to stress me out to make it look exactly like this eye. Finish this eye, and then do the rest of my face, and then you can come and see like what I've created. So I was just going to do my whole face and then just come back, and I realised, oh god, I'm itchy there. I think I've just put... And I was like, I need to show you the actual finishing of the eyes process before I put my lashes on. Get one of these brushes, just a brush to go under here. I'm going into that turquoisey blue. And then the final step, and the one that's gonna be like, whoa, white eyeliner. I'm using the is this NYX or NYX? I call it NYX. Oh, I'm not sure about the white. You can leave it like this, or you can just be extreme and do the white waterline. Do what you want to do. I've started this. I feel like I prefer it like this, but now that I'm here, it's easy for me to just add more eyeliner than to take it off. Just pretend this has got lashes on. Oh, do you know what? Some of it's gone under my eye, and I think that's what's making me not like it. We're gonna brush under that eye again. Yeah, it looks better because some of the eyeliner had gone like under my actual eye. That's like the eye part done. So I'm just gonna put my lashes on, do my lips, make myself presentable. But this is the final look. Wait, I feel like this is really bright, but then I can't really see. Whenever I put lashes on for the first few seconds, can you see it? Look at my glass. It says, keep it creepy. Only one glass I got in the crib, you see. Anyway, let's get a little close up. Ooh, bitch, I did that. The white eyeliner, I could have done without it, but I like it. I like the look of it. Everything just kind of comes together. It's nearly St. Paddy's Day. My friend's birthday's on St. Paddy's Day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend that Craig is on the scene, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.